Feeling unsure how to decorate your space? Want something that feels personal, culturally grounded and relevant, and beautifully designed, but don't know where to start? That's where the Afro interior design layout kits come in. Whether you've just moved into a new apartment, are settling into your first home, or you're an Airbnb host trying to stand out, these kits are made for you. The journey starts with our free interior style quiz. In just a few questions, you'll get a clear sense of your unique aesthetic, Afro-contemporary, boho-rooted Afro-mid-century, or another vibe that resonates deeply with who you are. Your results are personalized to help you reflect your heritage, lifestyle, and taste in your home. Once you've discovered your style, it's time to put it into action. You'll be guided to the homepage, where you can browse kits that match your quiz results or explore others if something else catches your eye. Let's say you choose Afro Contemporary Interior Design. Click on it, add to cart, check out, and you'll receive 2 emails. One with your receipt and another with your digital layout kit ready to download. Each kit includes a curated mood board, a shopping list, and a color scheme reference. The mood board shows how everything fits together visually. This is your North Star. The shopping list breaks it all down. Exact product names, direct links to buy, and price ranges. It's sorted by room, living room, bedroom, and dining space, so you can start with the area that matters most. Let's dive into the shopping list. Maybe you see a beautiful woven chair you love. Click the link, we've already matched it with a trusted retailer. Choose the color that works best for your space. If the layout kit recommends black, but your vibe leans more toward off-white, that's perfectly okay. You have the freedom to customize while staying grounded in a professional design scheme. Each layout kit includes a Pantone-inspired color guide. This gives you a palette to build from. So even if you swap a coffee table or add a personal heirloom to the space, you're still working within a cohesive Afro-inspired theme. It's your home, you're part of the design experience. These layout kits are ideal for new movers looking to turn an empty space into a home, first-time renters or owners who want style without hiring a designer, Airbnb or short-term rental owners who want a culturally rich, standout look. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to tie a room together or unsure how to add personal flair without sacrificing cohesion, this kit is your solution, your space to life. Now that you know exactly how to use the Afro Interior Design Layout Kit, it's your turn to bring your space to life. Download your kit, make it your own, and transform your home into a place that reflects who you are and what you love.